my shit? That's my truck. That's my truck. That's my truck. Yo, that's my truck. That's my truck. That's my truck. Get me a fucking car. Give me a car. That's my truck. That's my fucking truck. Give me a car. Give me a car. Give me some keys. Get me some keys. That's my truck.
It's your homie.
Huh?
It's your homie.
How you know that?
Because he pulled up with that BMW, the blue one.
That's Waleed? I'ma kill this nigga, bro.
He pulled up with that BMW.
I seen him come through. I'm like, who is this?
I was about to call Waleed to make sure it wasn't him.